Google VEO 3 versus OpenAI. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to compare Google VEO 3 and OpenAI. Google VEO 3 and OpenAI, particularly through tools like Sora, represent cutting-edge advancements in AI video generation. Google DeepMind is an advanced artificial intelligence research lab owned by Alphabet Inc. It is best known for deploying cutting-edge AI systems that combine neuroscience-inspired algorithms with machine learning and deep learning techniques. DeepMind focuses on developing general AI technologies that can solve complex real-world problems. Google Gemini is a state-of-the-art platform designed to process and generate content across various formats, including text, images, audio, video, and code. Gemini's features include advanced reasoning, code generation, image creation, and voice interactions. It supports personalized experiences through gems, custom AI assistants for specific tasks like meal planning or career advice. By giving the prompt, you can generate the image easily. However, it may require high computational resources, making it less accessible for smaller creators or projects. OpenAI is a leading artificial intelligence research organization dedicated to developing and promoting safe and beneficial AI technologies. OpenAI has created groundbreaking models like the GPT series, including ChatGPT, which excel at natural language understanding and generation. OpenAI focuses on building versatile AI systems that can understand and generate human-like text, code, images, and more. OpenAI emphasizes transparency, collaboration, and responsible deployment, making it a central player in shaping the future of AI technology globally. By giving the prompt, you can generate the image easily. However, its models can sometimes produce plausible but incorrect or biased information, requiring careful oversight. Google VEO 3 excels in cinematic video realism, while OpenAI offers more versatile, multimodal AI creativity and language understanding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.